Okay, just rolled it back out in the sunshine. Gonna do a cold start on the 71 SL70. Down here, grab this. I had started it earlier today when I got out of the garage. Haven't started it probably since the spring, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot here. We'll come around, we'll turn the key on, turn on the fuel to reserve, choke, and we'll give her a kick. I have the spark arrestor out of it right now, so it sounds good. Cold-blooded. Well, probably after a little warm-up, it'll continue running good, but that's the cold start. Thanks for watching.